This is solving systems of equations by substitution. Yesterday you learned how to solve systems by graphing. Today you are going to learn how to solve systems by substitution. Sometimes when you graph, it could be inaccurate. For example, if this goes by 1, 2, and 3, and so on, but your two lines cross at this point, if that's your solution to this system, your x value, you don't know if it's 1 or 2. It's in between. It might be 1.4, it could be 1.5, you're not sure. So solving these systems by substitution will give you a more accurate answer. So for example number 1, again you have two equations just like yesterday, but we are going to solve this system using the substitution method instead of the graphing method. So this is your equation 1, and here's your equation 2. Equation 1 says y equals 2x. Equation 2, y equals 3x minus 2. Y is 2x and y is 3x minus 2. So we are going to substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So we are going to substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So rewrite equation 2, which is y equals 3x minus 2. And using substitution, we know that y is also equal to 2x. So instead of writing y, we are going to substitute 2x in for y, because y equals 2x. So instead of writing y, you will write 2x, and that's still equal to 3x minus 2. Next, we need to get x by itself, so you subtract 3x from both sides. These cancel. 2x minus 3x is negative x, which equals negative 2. X is not by itself yet, so you need to divide both sides by this negative 1. Really, there's a 1 in front. So divide by negative 1 to get rid of the number in front of the x, the coefficient. These cancel. You're left with x is equal to 2. Now that's your x portion. To find y, you have to plug x, plug whatever you found for x, we found 2, into equation 1 or 2. You can choose. We are going to choose equation, we'll choose equation 1. Y equals 2x. Now we know x. We know x is actually 2. So we are going to substitute this 2 in for x. And then evaluate. So y equals 2. And then instead of writing x, I know it. It's 2. Y equals 2 times 2 is 4. Let's see if we would have found the same number if we would have used equation number 2. That equation was y equals 3x minus 2. So we're going to do the same thing that we did here, but we're going to check equation 2. So again, we know x is really 2. So to rewrite y equals 3, substitute the 2 in for your x. We know it, it's 2. And then minus 2. So y equals 3 times 2 is 6 minus 2, or y equals 4. So we found 4 for equation 1 and 4 for equation 2. Therefore, it doesn't matter if you plug, once you find x, into equation 1 or 2, you'll get the same y value. So the solution to this system of equations would be our x was 2. So the solution rewrite as an ordered pair. X is 2 and y is 4. That's your solution. That's the answer. Thinking about this graphically, these two lines, lines 1 and line 2, they intersect at this point, 2, 4. This point, this ordered pair, 2, 4, will make both equations true. That's where the two lines intersect.